So first thing, I'm gonna layer this cup. I mixed up a couple of colors, but everything I'm using for paint and stuff will be listed in the description below. Also realized I forgot to mention prices on the one video that I said I would. So, that video will be linked here, but the prices for everything will be in the description of this video. It's just a big mess, and I'm sorry. So I'm gonna start with putting this. I'm still gonna paint with this thing. It's one of those, like, I think I'm just gonna like pour it through it. I don't know yet. I think these colors will look nice together, hopefully. Also, I realized I only really started telling you the story of how I started pour painting, and I jumped all over the place. I wasn't very thorough, and I apologize for that. So I am going to give you a little bit more of a thorough explanation this time. I know I left off saying that I was in my sunroom, but like I could give you a bit more specifics with that. I was just using a little, not even like the LED strip I have now, it was honestly just a bar light. And I had a tub and some broom poles. The broom poles were great because they were able to hold up my painting without oh jeez, come on brain, without like having the paint, like it gave, without making the paint go everywhere, because of the way I had it over the shallow tub there where it's I eventually moved up to some pipe that Jeff and I sanded and managed to paint black, and have the blackboard on the table. Ironically, it's the blackboard that's behind me here. So I painted on that for a while, but that was getting to be a pain in the bum. And eventually, because I had so much of everything, I ended up moving down to my basement. And the video of where will be here of my new studio setup. It's changed a couple of times since then, but the table I'm using right now is the table that was given to me. I actually have another one in the corner over there, and I also have another bigger table that's under my bed. And you'll see in the one video that my bedroom is attached to my studio. Fun. But like I said, the whole reason I moved down here was because of cold winters and stuff like that. And this just makes it look better, easier. I eventually got better lighting, so I got box lights that have the fadey thing on it, and an LED strip, and I got some craft paper, because this was nice black craft paper. The black craft paper was something I was just looking around. I found it online. I tried using the other paper I have the other day. I had it rolled out and stuff, and I'm like, this paper is appropriately named because it is called bogus paper. So I'm gonna add a little bit more gray, and then just purple top it up because I love purple. Okay, so I am going to clean up, set up, all that jazz, and I'll be back. So now I have a white base down. I'm going to put this in it. I hope it doesn't make too much of a seal. Okay. And I'm just gonna pour this back out the line I've made on, well, this side of the cup. I think you can see that. I don't know. Oh, I painted my shoulder. Oh well. The strap is fallen. Just gonna go around and around. There's a cat hair there. Oh no. Whatever. There's fun in it, right? Oh, shush, stomach. I get it. You're hungry. Okay. I guess I'll just... I don't know. It's like leaking out the corners. That's neat. I guess I'll because of how it is, I'm just gonna have to lift it slowly and potentially just kind of move it around. Uh-oh. That was cool. Oh, don't drip, don't drip. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go like that for now. Oh! Flinging paint everywhere. And apparently spit. I'm gonna bring my torch over this just to pop air bubbles because I can see a lot of air bubbles. Poppy pop. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, let's just go this way. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna torch this again because oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Make sure you check out that video of me setting up my studio because it seems so appropriate. Also, this came out so cool. I just don't want to... Yeah, okay. I gotta rinse that out, but still. Came out really neat. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video.